Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can increase screen time in Oppo smartphone. So to start, you will need to launch settings, enter display and brightness category, and expand the available auto screen off values. And in here, the highest you can go with 30 minutes. So let's say by default it is set to be at 30 seconds if I'm not mistaken. So set any value above that from the list of available options. If you would like to go over 30 minutes and set your custom values, or well, set it to the value of 1 hour or even never, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. So launch the Google Play Store app, find the Caffeine app, and well, install it. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, the parameter that you should be looking for is timeout. So as you can see, we can already set it to be at 1 hour, which is well higher than the default 30 minutes. But as I've already promised, or rather as I've promised earlier, you can set its value to be infinite, which means that as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally close it, your screen will never go to sleep automatically. So I guess that will be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.